Hello student, myself Shashank sir. It is my third lecture on linear equation exercise 8b for class 8. Today I am going to explain a very important question, that is question number 19. A steamer goes downstream from one port to another port in 9 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 10 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the stream in steamer in still water and the distance between the two ports. Let us suppose that the speed of the steamer is x kilometer per hour in still water and the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the steamer in downstream will be x plus 1 kilometer per hour and the speed of the steamer in upstream is x minus 1 kilometer per hour. Now distance covered by the steamer in 9 hours while going downstream, that is in the direction of the stream, it is 9 into x plus 1 kilometer. Also distance covered by steamer in 10 hours while going upstream, that is against the stream, it is 10 into x minus 1 kilometer. In both the cases distance are same. So 9 x plus 1 will be equal to 10 x minus 1. In this, solving this one, we will get x is equal to 19. So the speed of the steamer in still water is 19 km per hour. Now let us check. Speed downstream is equal to 19 plus 1, that is 20 km per hour. Speed upstream 19 minus 1, that is 18 km per hour. So distance travel downstream in 9 hours is equal to 9 into 20, that is 180 km, and distance travel upstream in 10 hours is equal to 10 into 18, which is 180 km. In the both cases we find that distance are same. Now let us do another question. The distance between two stations is 300 km. Two motorcyclists start at the same time from these stations and move towards each other. The speed of the one of them is 7 km per hour more than that of the other. If the distance between them after 2 hours of their start is 34 km, find the speed of the motorcyclist. You have to also check your solution. Suppose there are two stations, that is station A and station B, which are 300 km apart. ये दोनों के बीच की दूरी 300 किलोमीटर है. मान के चलते हैं यहाँ से पहला मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट जिसका स्पीड x किलोमीटर पर आवर है वो A से स्टार्ट करता है. दूसरा मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट उसी समय में x प्लस 7 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से स्टार्ट करता है और दोनों एक ही दिशा में, एक इस तरह इस डायरेक्शन में और दूसरा इस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है साइमल्टेनियसली. सो दोनों का स्पीड अलग होगा, एक का स्पीड x किलोमीटर पर आवर और दूसरा का होगा x प्लस 7 किलोमीटर पर आवर. नाउ डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय फर्स्ट मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट आफ्टर 2 आवर, आफ्टर 2 घंटे के बाद कितना दूरी तय करेगा वो 2x किलोमीटर. उसी तरीके से दूसरा मोटरसाइकिलिस्ट 2 घंटे में कितना दूरी तय करेगा x प्लस 7 into 2, that is 2x plus 14 किलोमीटर. स्टिल दे आर 34 किलोमीटर अपार्ट. अभी भी दोनों के बीच में कितनी दूरी बची हुई है 34 किलोमीटर की दूरी बची हुई है. ना अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय फर्स्ट प्लस डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय सेकेंड प्लस 34 इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस. मतलब 2x plus 14, this one, distance covered by the second one, plus 34 is equal to 300 किलोमीटर. जब इसको हम लोग सॉल्व आउट करेंगे पूरी तरीके से तो हमारे पास x का वैल्यू आएगा 63, which was the speed of first motorcyclist. This was the speed of first motorcyclist. So speed of the first motorcyclist is 63 km per hour and speed of the second motorcyclist is 63 plus 7, that is 70 km per hour. Now let us check. As the speed of the first motorcyclist is 63 km per hour, so distance covered by the first motorcyclist in 2 hours is equal to 126 km. Again, speed of the second motorcyclist is 70 km per hour. Distance covered by the second motorcyclist in 2 hours is equal to 2 into 70, that is 140 kilometer. Now, distance between them after 2 hours, 2 घंटे के बाद उनके बीच की दूरी कितनी बचेगी? तो टोटल डिस्टेंस में से, जो टोटल डिस्टेंस दोनों पोर्ट के बीच में, दोनों स्टेशन के बीच में 300 किलोमीटर था, उसमें से हमने क्या माइनस किया? 126 किलोमीटर दिस वन एंड 40 किलोमीटर दिस वन, दोनों को ऐड करके माइनस कर दिया हम लोगों ने, तो देखा क्या बचा? 34 किलोमीटर, विच इज द सेम एज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. दोनों के बीच में अभी भी 34 किलोमीटर के बीच की दूरी थी. सो दैट वाज ऑल फ्रॉम दिस लीनियर इक्वेशन वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. थैंक यू.